Hello, my name is Sean Gallagher, and I'd like to introduce you to the Cowork Cookbook. This cookbook has been built primarily around the business process catalog with a focus on Dynamics 365 finance and supply chain management. So if I click into one of the process areas, this will show me everything that is available. So for example, for Record the Report, we have 105 recipes that have been generated. There's also a link to the Microsoft Learn reference documentation for this area. We also have the ability to view this in a business process map. So we can go in and look at all the processes that we have available. And if I wanted to drill down into inventory and deliver, for example, I can see there are 85 processes. And then I can click on the full end-to-end process here and see I have 85 recipes tagged here. If I drill down into a recipe page, we'll be able to see a business value statement, helping us understand what this recipe does, a little bit about how to use it step by step, and then a screenshot that the agent has taken as it verified that this is a working prompt for Cowork. We can just hit the copy prompt button here and then take this into Cowork. We just need to validate that we have the ERP plugin turned on, and then we can run this prompt. These prompts have all been generated to work against the USMF data set, so you would need to change this for your legal entities as your environment has been set up. Everything that you see here also is available on GitHub, so you can click on the link here and you can actually view the recipes in GitHub as well. So everything here has been open sourced and made available, and so that's ultimately what's backing everything that you see here. We also have recipes that are skills. So when we go into the search here, we can view prompts or skills. And so if we go into one of the skills here, these have all been verified to have at least an 8 out of 10 score. So this one, for example, has a 9 out of 10 score that was achieved. And you can come in and download the skill here by clicking the download skill package link. You just need to go into your OneDrive folder and create a skills directory if you don't have it yet under Cowork. And then you can unzip that file here into this location. Once you do this, you just have to go over into Cowork, and if I create a new session here and you type in skills, this will let you manage all of your skills and see what you have loaded here. So once it syncs, it takes about 60 seconds for it to sync from your OneDrive into the Cowork sandbox. Once it's mounted, then it will show up here. And so I have about 30 skills that will show up here under my skills management. So you can just ask it to do all of your skills, and it will show you the skills that you have loaded there. So you can see here now it's loading all of my skills that I have from my OneDrive. So you just need to copy those over into your skills directory. So that's just a quick overview here of the cookbook. So I'm adding more and validating more recipes as I progress through this. So right now we have 1,407 recipes. And again, you can easily navigate this with the map, or you can come in here and just do a search. So I can just search for vendor, for example. And it is also available in dark mode if you prefer that. And it is made to work on both mobile and the desktop. So, if you want, you can also use this on the go with the Cowork experience for mobile. So thank you.